Hey guys, doing a battery install on a 2015 Dodge Journey in the wheel well. You can do this on the ground with your wheels turned all the way to the left. You can really do it without even removing the tire, but I did it like that for years. But I have a lift and it's just way easier to get the tire out of my way. I suggest jacking it up, taking the tire off. It'll definitely give you some room to work, but it is doable without the tire off, just all the way to the left. But anyway, you gotta pull this little plastic panel off here, all these little tabs pry off. So I'm gonna pull those off and I'll show you what's next. All right, so we got the panel off here. Now what we're gonna have to do is, you got 10 millimeter right here for the negative terminal, and a 10 millimeter right here for the positive terminal. You also have a 13 millimeter for this hold down bracket. You can unplug this if you like. I usually don't, but just pull that gray tab out and it slides right off. Give you a little room. All right, I'm gonna loosen this shit up and we'll be back. All right, so got the two terminals off. We got this hold down bolt off. I use ratcheting wrench for both. You could do it with a regular box wrench, but you might be there a while. Also, this hold down rod basically sits in that groove and up through here. So once you get that loose, just kind of hold it down, pop it out. All right. The terminals, I just kind of tuck up here wherever they'll stay put. That's the negative, that's the positive, just to kind of get them out of my way. Also, this hold down, I don't know if you can see it, right there, it's another L bracket, kind of folds into that little hole there. So I generally just pick this up and kind of tuck it up in here so it stays put. All right, now we got everything out of the way. We're gonna take this battery out, set the new battery in, and put it back together in reverse order. All right, new battery is installed. Got the terminals back on tight. Got this sensor plugged back in, and got the hold down back. So I'm gonna put this cover back on and we're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.